Every year, all three levels of government collect taxes to fund the priorities that impact our nation, state, and community. Virginia is a Dillon Rule state. Local governments only have powers that are specifically granted to them by the Virginia General Assembly. As a result, county governments in Virginia have narrow authority when it comes to taxation. In Fairfax County, local tax revenue mainly comes from real estate, personal property, and businesses. If you own a home in Fairfax County, the assessed value of your property times the real estate tax rate equals your real estate tax. Many homeowners pay this tax in monthly installments as a part of their mortgage payment. The real estate tax rate is advertised, discussed with the community, and adopted every year by the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. Depending on where you live within Fairfax County, other taxes may be included in your real estate tax bill to help pay for services that directly support your neighborhood or district. The assessed value of your vehicle times the personal property tax rate equals your car tax. Personal property taxes apply to vehicles, boats, trailers, mobile homes, and airplanes. Personal use vehicles may qualify for a state car tax subsidy. Businesses also contribute to Fairfax County's tax base. Additional local taxes apply to utilities, transferring deeds on homes, cigarettes, and sales. Others, like the gasoline tax, are levied by the state. Local permits, licenses, fees, and fines also contribute to Fairfax County's budget. Tax relief for real estate, personal property, and renters is available for seniors and people with disabilities with limited income and assets. There are many simple, easy, and secure ways to pay your taxes to Fairfax County government. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/taxes for due dates and more information.